Enyuma ho Minister Rafael Magezi uri Minister wa Government z'ebyanga hakija kuvugana abashubuzi bente abarkwegitira mu kibina cya Mpondwe Cattle Market ne cya Mpondwe Cross Border Cooperative Society aho yaragirire ngo bampondwe Cross Border Cooperative Society nibo bashyira kugumana bashoroza umushoro gwa government mu Katari ahabo kugira ngo nibo babire binempatane.
Establish another market to frustrate this one. Who is going to accept that? Really, who will accept that? Then when I come, you tell me, if you don't allow us, we shall go to the president. You could be. You will find me there after.
Echo ticharazibira Bampondwe Cattle Market okugumana bashoroza sente ekizire kugimesereza Minister kuhandikira abebembezi ba district ya Kasese baroha arukuragira ngo akatara kabarukorera makampondwe Cattle Market Kachingwe.
The newly established site for cattle market in Mpondwe Rubiria Town Council be closed with immediate effect. That is immediate effect from Tuesday. But because we have not presented this letter to you for the consumption of everybody, then that means with immediate effect from now.
So I know that we didn't want to go into that. Through your management, make sure that you withdraw all the receipts that you have been issuing out.
Ebyo nabwo nyuma yo kwanga korwa Minister Garucire yahandikira byo kwerinda ngo bagireho rukiko n'abashubuzaba aho abebembezo batabucira Bampondwe Cattle Market okugumana batigana Bampondwe Cross Border Cooperative Society.
There is a standing expression which has not been challenged, and it was done by the right authority, who is the minister who okayed it through a process.
You know what means to be pushed out of your business, which you have acquired through tender for 3 months, 4 months, 4.5 months. I remember I came from where?
The market, which is in Mpondwe Rubiria Town Council, is actually an illegal market. Why? Because it is on a private land.
Akatara kahamibwa naka isango akaba Mpondwe Cross Border Cooperative Society barukwikirizubwamo okushoroza mu mushoro gwa government.
The market which is existing, which is legal, is the one of its own, and we are advising that first to continue and run let the other market operate, and let this contractor complete the contract in the other place, because this one cannot subsist. It is illegal.
We are very grateful that we are going to start working as contractors, because so far we have lost 2 months.
These cattle traders must operate, these markets must open, both markets must open for the town council and for the Isango sub-county.
Ubwo hata kataraka isango nuko kahamibwe government okugumiza mu nakakora okusiye birashatu nakyo mu byo kwezi kwa 12 mwaka gwa 2023 gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.